It's a beach day parade, come laugh and play. We're dancing and splashing the sunny way. Tommy, Lena, able to, Luna, Tico, and Anaya with you. With Grandpa Leo, hooray, hooray. It's fun all day at the beach today.
We dig and scoop and pat the sand. A castle rises oh so grand. Buckets, shells, and towers so high. We wave to the seagulls in the sky.
Bounce that ball across the shore. We catch and laugh and play some more. It spins and rolls in the sunny breeze. We tumble and giggle with sandy knees. Tiptoe, tiptoe near the tide. Look at the treasures the waves did hide. A shiny shell, a crabby surprise, with sparkly colors and silly eyes.
Ice cream cones and sticky hands, melty treats and tasty plans. Chocolate drips and rainbow sprinkles, Luna hops and Abel giggles. Splish and splash and stomp around. We chase the waves with a splashing sound. Tico sprays with his elephant trunk. We all go wild with a happy dunk.
The sun goes down, the fire glows. We roast marshmallows in cozy rows. Stars appear and we snuggle tight, singing songs in the soft moonlight. It's a beach day parade, come laugh and play. We danced and splashed the sunny way. Tommy, Lena, able to, Luna, Tico, and Anaya with you. With Grandpa Leo, hooray, hooray. Good night, dear beach, we'll be back someday.